Alright guys, so here we are, the last evening of Wendell's hunt here. So we are actually going to be going right here on the hunting grounds. You can tell we're on the hunting grounds, got the big pond back behind us. We're going to be going back here to the big food plot called the Big Redneck Plot. It's special to me because I put in a lot of time. So Wendell tagged a buck this morning, which finally we worked our butts off this, what, 3.5 days?
Yeah.
Pretty much 3 solid
3.5,
days.
yeah.
3.5 by the time you get done tonight. So had a phenomenal hunt this morning, got all the pictures, got all the photos, got the deer cut up, and it's ready to be taken home, and I had Nace come over to take pictures. So I told Wendell, I said, man, if you'll help me do some doe management, and he'd like to take home some more meat. So the odds are in her favor that we're going to see something walking back here. So we've got the GoPro rigged up on the gun, and we might not even make it to the redneck. I am on edge. Like, I don't know if 100% if I'm going to take another doe. We might double up. I was going to donate this one out. I'm trying to make sure they can take it, but just kind of waiting there. We'll just have to see how itchy my trigger finger gets if a doe just sticks around and wants to be done. But yeah, so you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
We're going to get back there. We might even, like I said, it might be a spot and stock hunt as soon as we get out of here. So we'll have to see what happens. There you go. So there's a house. It's Wendell's truck. And we don't have too far to walk back here to where we're going to set tonight. My dog, Juniper, is going to... No, don't bark at us. The deer are back here, you dumb dog. Oh my goodness. Juniper, go inside. Juniper. Don't bark. Don't bark. Help me make her go inside. Don't bark. You gotta go inside. Don't bark. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Hiya, baby. Come here. Juju. Come here. She is... We're gonna walk down that trail, and you'll hit that that border patrol up there. We'll sneak down it, and then we can check those fields before we walk down into the redneck. So I'll follow you. The wind's right at our face. It's perfect. Check that field. Says you can see through there. Check every field before we get in it, because I don't know right now. Okay, it's gonna be that more, probably the one up here on the left is probably gonna have something in it if there is right now. Oh, right through here. I actually don't see anything out there, so I think we're pretty good right now. Go ahead and cut all the way through. We're good. There's not anything in there. Look at that right there. It's not even as good as it was last year, as tall as they are anyway, but otherwise it's got a lot more tonnage than I did last year. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's mature. That's a good doe take right there. Do you want to do a deer hunt in under 30 seconds? We were fixing to redo the narration because we didn't know if we liked the narration. And that looks to be 100% mature doe. And he's like, there's a deer right there. She's hiding. Oh yeah, she's eating that. Well, I feel kind of bad. Let's wait a second. Like, see if something else comes out. Oh, there's another deer back behind her. Another big deer. Might as well, yeah, let's see. Oh my gosh, another one. Are you kidding me? Just watch your movement, because I don't think they're even really looking at us, but yeah, just walking out now. On edge. I guess we can size them up and see which one's bigger. Yeah. As of right now, we'd shoot the back one. I think she's bigger, but you see how on edge she is. Yeah. I hate educated does, and she'd be the one to mess up hunts. Maybe God's saying, double. Boy, they're eating that killer food plot like crazy. That's so cool to watch. I could kind of enjoy watching them. Yep. They're really liking that. Yeah, yeah. Boy, they're freaking on edge. They probably saw us walking in. Yeah, well, that's pretty steep. They're bedding. I did all that in timber management on the backside, so it's all bedding. That's exactly why I do it on the edges like that. So they can't see you when you're coming. For you can't see, but so it holds the deer there, so you have longer hunts instead of a deer coming from 2 ridges away. You hold the bedding right there. If you walk in smart, you have a lot longer hunt with deer in front of you instead of waiting until last light. Man, she is edgy. Yeah, that one's. She's a little bit smaller though, isn't she? Is she? Almost looks like, maybe not. I think, well, they're really close to same. I think they're both about the same. Bigger. Open that side window. Because if she gets up here in this crevice, we'll take her. You can probably preempt it, because she's doing exactly what I want her to. But you gotta open that window. No, I'm just trying to get it raised where I want it first. Just wait till she's broadside. Yeah, oh yeah. Because it's gonna tear her up if not. Yeah, oh yeah. And you were saying that you want an easy job, I guess, right? Yeah. How about that? Take her. Okay, go ahead. There she fell. Holy crap, dude. Is this real life? Because I can't hear crap. That muzzle should have been outside the window. Holy, like as soon as you pull that trigger, it's like, beep, like I thought I was dead. Dude, as soon as you went click, it was like, beep, like I felt like I was dead because of the ringing. Okay, well, deer hunting under 30 seconds. We literally crawled up, sat down, thought about redoing the interview, and there comes a doe. And then another doe. And I was like, dude, I kind of feel bad just shooting a doe real quick, but she's down. That's pretty cool because she actually did exactly what I designed this food plot for. They were actually going to funnel down. Who knows if they're coming over here.
It kind of looked like I wanted to go that way,
but we have these intersection points, and they just crisscross right here in bow range, and he just shot it with a
in bow range.
Creedmoor. And you whacked her in a good solid 25 yards maybe. So anyway, congrats.
Thank you.
First
doe management there.
Yeah, doe manager. First hunt winner to ever tag 2 deer. So
nice.
You've set the bar. You shot a good buck. You shot a doe. You worked hard for 3 days. And we got some more work to do. Like, I feel like we just cleaned and cut up a deer.
We did.
Yeah, I know. We got to do another one, so. Go down. Here we go.
That was too fast.
She was like right here somewhere. I mean, that's a real far shot, isn't it? Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Nice. Look at all of it right here on the leaves. I see some right there. This is all the edge feathering I did all the way down here. It paid off. Did exactly what I preach about, that it's holding the deer right beside the food plot so you can have a longer hunt with deer in front of you longer. Saw her go head over heels somewhere right up in here. When you want to be an educated doe, we'll take you out here on the hunting grounds.
Right where they came out of as well.
Right where they came out, they thought she was going to go back to bed. Full grown, big O hill country nanny. Oh yeah, man, she big. She ain't been run down by the rut. All right, guys. 30-second. I wanted to call it a 30-second deer hunt. We could have done that because we could have shot that doe in 30 seconds after sitting there in that redneck. Snuck in, got all set up, and she popped out. And then we're like, man, it's just too nice. It's too nice just to watch them. So we were just sitting there watching them. They're just devouring the killer food plots out here. She still got it in her mouth there. But yeah, so we sat there and watched him, and I said, if she reads the script and she comes through here, clobber her. And he did, man. And kind of, we'll have to watch. I think there's going to be like a shockwave on the GoPro, because that muzzle blast kind of inside that thing, it just took out her hearing there for a second. And she got in trouble because she's the watchful doe. She came in, and I mean, the other one's just feeding head down the whole time. And then this one came out and was looking and popping her head up. I was like, she might be looking for a buck, but she also would pick off a hunter. And any educated does we like to take off of here. It just makes hunting a little bit easier. So there you go. You got to hunt on the hunting grounds for a whole 2 minutes.
Yeah.
How'd you enjoy the 2 minutes?
Hey, it holds deer.
Yeah, it did.
It holds deer.
So it did exactly what we planned. This habitat management right here on the side allows you to hold deer right up against your food plot, so you can get in here strategically and quietly, but at the same time it's going to hold deer right up against it, so they're in here quick. So like I was explaining to Wendell, instead of them being here at the last 30 minutes of hunting light, when these deer decided it was time to get up, 30 seconds later they were in this food plot, which made a hunt awesome for us. And they would have these does in here, and if we were buck hunting and you didn't kill a buck today, hopefully it would have been something to pull those bucks in even earlier and get that shot. So all right, man. Well, congrats. That's 2 deer down in one day. We might try to go get another one. We'll have to see how long it takes to get her up there and get her taken care of. And I don't know. I hope that you've enjoyed your whole experience out here.
It. You bet.
All right. He got a big old nanny doe. Work begins again. Deja vu. We just got done with one, but
yeah,
it's worth it.
That's what hunting's all about.
That's right. You're going home with a full truck.
That's right.
All right, guys. If you guys enjoyed this episode, it's a doe hunt, but if you can't get excited about a doe hunt, I don't know if you should be hunting. So
Right.
it's part of hunting, it's part of management. Comment down below. Congratulations to Wendell again for winning her hunt, killing a buck today, killing a doe today. And give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a better than average day. Meh. Oh crap. What the heck? Oh crap. What the crap?
Won't you tickle